Ah, this is a full-bodied beer, that's for sure. It's got the alcohol content. Yep, you can taste that little warm on the back of the throat. Peach, yeah, definitely. Mango, I'm not too sure about that, but it's definitely got the peach and the grapefruit. That is certainly, and the thing is, it's nicely balanced. The body and the balance on this is really, I'm impressed with the other half. They seem to have hit it on the nose. Every once in a while, the IPA doesn't quite come up to an IPA, and I will admit, this isn't quite as forceful as I was expecting, but it's certainly the aromatics. That double dry hop really does hit the bill, that is for sure. So, as I always give it a rating, of course, it has to be rated. 1 for showing up, 3 for meeting expectations, and 5, it's an elixir of the gods. Well, this isn't quite an elixir of the gods, but it is right up there. It is a nice beer. So I'm going to give it a 4.5. Yep, 4.5. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.